Athuba matamda Manipur da Football Academy hangduna masana asida haina chakot hanaba honaragani haina Manipur gi Chief Minister N.Biren singna thajaba pikhre. Wafama sing ase mahaki secretary ta handak leibak ahumdagi lakpa team ahumna saruk yaduna Imphal sanagadoriba football match sing asiga mari leinena pangthokiba paugi mifam amada thajaba asi pikibane. All India Football Federation ki meeting makhada handak pangthokodoriba Hero Tri Nation Tournament asida Imphal India ki senior team Myanmar amade Kyrgyzstan ki team singna lakliba March kundagi hauna kunganipan fauba football match sing sanagani. Ngasigi paugi mifamada Chief Minister N.Biren singna makhatana fongdokibada football masana bu pamjaba inkhalakliba apikpa sanaroi singbu grassroots level deki semgatnaba thabak sing paikhatnaba football ground kaya lengak asina semgatnaba hotnare. Hairiba thabak sing asida All India Football Federation aso angama mateng pangani haibagi thajaba piba leire haike.
Already identified the area, already 2 grounds is there, jointly there at Manipur, and only just if now I am very grateful to the Kalyan and the Sanji that they have given go ahead for opening one football academy. So then they will support the technical support, and just we have to invite the coaches from the outside through only IFF. Then only we can grow and we can groom from the grassroots. And my opinion, if we have a rigorous with technical support and all the support provided by the government of India, just like under the Prime Minister Modi ji, just we can qualify to World Cup within 10-15 years. It is my, wish. And I am very happy that both are the international footballer. So under their guidance, we will go and achieve our goal to send Indian teams in the world level. That is the expectation and confidence. It will be, one MOU will be there with the All India Football Federation, and that will be prepared, and we will take it up through Director of Sports or Empire will have a